Take a ride in the 2019 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, navigation system, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.